Good morning, YouTube. It's Saturday, and I thought I'd go ahead and do this quick little 8-month review on a pair of glasses that I have that I use when I paint and stuff, and I'll explain why. But anyways, these are the WileyX glasses. Okay, here they are, and they are kind of like rounded, as you can see, like kind of like a round shape. Okay, look. Okay, here we go. Better. All right, and to make this more understandable, okay, my normal glasses, which a lot of us wear. Okay, let me put these next to each other's comparison. As you can see, they're square. Okay, straight across square. All right, as to where the Wileys are round. Okay, so here, let me put these back on so I can see what I'm doing. And the reason I got these, all right, is because when I paint, okay, I have a full face mask. All right, I have this one here that some of us use and some of us don't, but that's cool. Anyways, as you can see, the face on it is round, and it's made to hug around the edges of your face and stuff. Well, I can't wear it using these because these are square, and what happens is the pressure of the mask pushes up against this, and these are even brand new too, because the ones I had before I purchased these, and disclaimer, okay, before I go any further, I am not in any way affiliated with Wiley. I got these through my doctor because I told him what I needed, and I even took my mask with me to my doctor's appointment, and I told him and I showed him what I needed and how I needed it to work, and this is what he set me up with. Okay, and these are, like I said, they're round, so they're already the shape of the mask, so those are excellent. And by the way, since I got them from my doctor, as you can see, they're prescription. They actually have prescription lenses on them. Okay, so that I can actually see while I'm painting. Okay, so let me tell you, 8 months, and if some of you that have followed my channel and noticed the work I've done on my truck and everything, okay, you can see there's my red paint, white paint, primer. I've used them for the whole process of my truck, and it's worked great. Even when I don't wear the full face mask, okay, because sometimes I don't, sometimes I do. It's just whatever I grab right off the bat in the morning. They still work really good because not only is the glasses, but they come with this insert here, okay, and it's a foam insert, kind of like what motorcycle riders use on their goggles, and they just clip on right inside here like that. Okay, and it keeps them fogging up, and they just clip onto the down here. See those little holes right there? These little clips just snap right in there, and you can snap them off, snap them on. Comes with a little cord so you can take your glasses off and not lose them, which honestly I don't use it. I tried, but they kind of get in the way for me. You got your little instruction manual on how to care for them and do all kinds of stuff with it. Comes with a pretty nice size cleaning rag. Okay, let me see, it's pretty good size. It's easy 6x8 at least. It's pretty good size. It's a big rag, and you get a hard shell case. and it is a hard shell. Okay, and it's got a nice little felt coating in there. It's okay, but anyways, it's a good case. It's hard shell. So anyhow, whenever I do work on my truck or paint, and I don't want to ruin my regular glasses, these are excellent. And I've seen these on other videos for other, other guys use them. Okay, they have a variety of ones that you could use. They're made by Brick, I guess. I can't focus on that. Oh, right there. That's the type that I have right here. It's the Z87-2. Okay, let's see what that is. Well, okay. Let me see, it's on the other side. All right, it gives you a whole bunch of other numbers and stuff. Okay, a lot of numbers and different things, but anyways, yeah, I actually got these through my doctor. He carries them in his office, and when I went in there, I told him, hey, I need something more like a sports glasses, kind of like what people that play sports wear. It's just it would just be like the lens parts and then like a strap in the back, but they're round, because a lot of them, like football players and all them, they use those because it curves around their face and it fits perfect when you're wearing a helmet, or baseball players, or people like that. And what we did, like I said, I took my mask with me to my appointment, and we tried on a whole bunch of different types of glasses with my mask on and everything, and we saw how they fit, and this is what I came up with. These are the ones that work the best for me. They normal price for any pair of glasses, especially prescription. Okay. Yeah, they like I said, they work great. I can wear them with my welding helmet. I can wear them with my face mask when I grind. I can wear them with my full face mask for when I spray paint. And they're just overall great glasses. And I'm glad I got them. And they've totally stood up to the test. So shout out to WileyX glasses, and that's pretty much all I got for you. Just thought I'd do a quick little 8-month review on these glasses I got. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope this was helpful for anybody who's looking for something like that they need for whatever. Like I said, if they're a welder, or if you're a painter, or a sports person, or whatever. But anyways, that's what I got them for. That's what I use them for, and they work great. So I hope this was helpful, and you guys look them up if you want. Maybe it'll work for you. Y'all have a great weekend, and subscribe, do all that good stuff, like, and if you got any comments, let me know. I'll try to answer your questions or something as soon as possible. But again, y'all have a great weekend, and God bless.